go. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Look! Look! Hey! No touching allowed. Oh.
Help me get the children into the house.
Have they gone, Mitch?
I think so.
Is anyone hurt?
Well, Jenny got a scratch down her cheek, but it's nothing.
That makes 3 times.
Mitch, this isn't usual, is it? The gull when I was in the boat yesterday, the one at Annie's last night, and now...
Last night? What do you mean?
A gull smashed into Annie's front door. Mitch, what's happening?
I don't know, but do you have to go back to Annie's?
No, I have my things in the car.
Stay and have something to eat before you start back, huh? I'd feel a lot better.